something that you know is bad, and then Ian finally just shares with us.
Back-to-back earthquakes measuring magnitude 7 and 5.8 have rocked buildings and shattered roads in Alaska, sending people running into the streets and briefly triggering a tsunami warning for residents to flee to higher ground. Cracks could be seen in a two-story downtown Anchorage building, and photographs posted to social media showed fractured roads and collapsed ceiling tiles at an Anchorage high school. One image showed a car stranded on an island of pavement, surrounded by cavernous cracks where the earthquake split the road. Cereal boxes and packages of batteries littered the floor of a grocery store, and picture frames and mirrors were knocked from living room walls. The tsunami warning was lifted a short time later. There were no immediate reports of any deaths or serious injuries. The U.S. Geological Survey (USGS) said the first and more powerful quake on Friday morning local time was centered about 12 kilometers north of Anchorage, Alaska's largest city, with a population of about 300,000. People ran from their offices or took cover under desks. People went back inside after the first earthquake struck, but the magnitude 5.8 aftershock about 5 minutes later sent them running back into the streets. A tsunami warning was issued for the southern Alaska coastal areas of Cook's Inlet and part of the Kenai Peninsula. Kodiak police warned people in the city of 6,100 to evacuate to higher ground immediately because of a wave estimated in 10 minutes.